Really, we are a university of technical science, over 20,000 students, all of them, or at least 90% only in technical science. And we are also member of the European University of Technology Alliance. The topic of today, we sent 4 topics, was mainly selected by you. It was about hydrogen and renewable energy research hub that we are preparing to be developed in our university. So, a little bit about the context. The Commission's Economic Recovery Plan, Next Generation EU, highlights hydrogen as an investment priority to boost economic growth and resilience, to create local jobs and consolidate the EU's global leadership. The path towards a European hydrogen ecosystem is step by step. It begins today until 2024, when we will support as a European Union the installation of at least 6 gigawatts of renewable hydrogen electrolyzers in the EU and the production of up to 1 million tons of renewable hydrogen. From 2025 to 2030, hydrogen needs to become an intrinsic part of integrated energy system with at least 40 gigawatts of renewable hydrogen electrolyzers and the production of up to 10 million tons of renewable hydrogen in the EU. From 2030 and onwards, renewable hydrogen will be deployed at a large scale across all hard-to-decarbonize sectors. The whole ecosystem is developing very good, but still, Eastern Europe is lagging behind with no or hardly present this kind of project. You should see that here inside the important projects of common European interest direction, European Commission approves already 41 projects on total of 5.4 billion euros support for 15 member states. There are remarkable companies all over Europe, like, for example, Bosch or Daimler Truck or Armstrong. They had projects on 4 pillars like hydrogen generation technology, fuel cells technologies, storage, transformation, and distribution of hydrogen technology, and also end-user technologies. As you can see here at the backbone map, or also in the European hydrogen map, in the part of Central and Western Europe, there are lots of industry projects, there are also research centers, also national associations and projects. And instead, in the eastern part of Europe, there are just few associations and projects. Our university is really dedicated to deep tech innovation. So really we have the ambition to want to use our research background to play a leading role in the region in hydrogen-based mobility. So we have 3 ambitious objectives. The first of all, about establishing an international hub of scientific competitiveness and professional training in the field of hydrogen technologies applied to electric transportation. Also, the second objective is about setting the prerequisite for modeling, simulation, controlling, and basically testing hydrogen-powered vehicles and creating a research infrastructure for hydrogen-based mobility. And the third objective is to boost the research and development innovation capability of all stakeholders in the field of hydrogen-based mobility by ensuring access to infrastructure built in hydrogen renewable energy research hub. Our detailed plan is first on the vector of leadership and partnership. We'll partner with research institutes, with industrial partners, with startups, small and medium enterprises, with larger enterprises, with clusters, with venture capitals to drive forward this domain and competence development. We already submitted projects financed by European Union together with large industrial partners and research institute as Bosch Research Institute for Engineering Competencies, with the energy cluster that is located in our region. This cluster has over 50 small and medium enterprises and also research institutes and larger companies. Also, we want to create, develop, and to promote an ecosystem that capitalizes on the existing resources to represent and empower hydrogen and renewable energy in international board, international conference, especially European and international research projects in workshop to enlarge our network in promoting these ideas and really develop these facilities. And also, we are already, but in the future, also planning to prepare future professionals through creation of dedicated study programs in the universities and offer also training services and consultancy for the companies. From the point of view of infrastructure, the research labs will have a focus point of a special validation chamber with pressure and temperature control for fuel cells and testing them also in extreme operating conditions, for example by simulating extreme altitudes. Also a hybrid system connecting to DC direct current microgrid in the Technical University campus, fuel cells, photovoltaic panels, batteries and electrical vehicles using reversible charging stations. The training center in the field of fuel cells and the interconnection with renewable energy sources, also using vehicle-to-grid and build energy management system concepts. Already we are implementing a project on building energy management systems, first for the building of our university, for monitoring and especially controlling the energy consumption, and also establishing training programs for companies around us in this field. And also to develop a platform for support services. Really, at the end, I want to emphasize our university commitment, especially in fostering deep tech innovation. And on this respect, for example, our university also submitted projects under the umbrella of important European projects of common interest, also in the field of microelectronics, together with partners from industry, especially with companies from the automotive field like Bosch and Continental. And also we are committed to retain talents and to nurture talents in our region. And we are planning also based on European projects to create and really build a research institute on artificial intelligence, trying in this way to develop skills and competencies in our universities for younger academic, for our students, but also for the ecosystem that is around our university. We have a very dynamic ecosystem for European digital innovation hubs, for example, with larger companies, with the local government that is also supporting us, with development agencies and research institutes that will come together with us in building this institute. And really our hope is just to develop talents, to keep them in our area, just to extend the region. And we are thinking that this is one of the main goals for our university strategic plan, to develop our talents, because really these are the treasure of our university. So, thank you very much.